This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features include a sunroof, a power driver's seat, steering wheel controls, an in-dash CD changer, big 20-inch wheels, trailer wiring, fog lamps, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Bohn Hyundai is located at 3800 Lapalco Boulevard in Harvey. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.